is not on the unit circle. However, if you can find some way, now we can't add two unit circle values. We cannot add two unit circle values to get 67.5. No. But what else could we do? I heard something. 135, what would you do to 135? Cut it in half. 135 divided by 2. And that's kind of cool because we know what to do when we have something divided by 2 and it's inside sine, cosine, or tangent. We just did it. We have a way to rewrite it. So we cannot add unit circle values, but this is a big but.
It's a big but.
That sounds weird. What are you talking about? So cannot add unit circle values, but we can divide them or multiply by 2 in some cases as an alternative. So here goes. Ladies and gentlemen, 135 divided by 2. It's what we do for all three of them. We're only going to choose to do one of them. It'll be fine. So sine of 135 over 2 is equivalent to sine of 67.5. And the advantage, though, is we have an identity that says, hey, did you know when you have the sine of something something divided by 2 that you can rewrite it as what we see right there? Simply the 1 minus cosine of whatever the angle on top is over 2 and then squirt it. Okay, got it. And then you'll tell me if it's plus or minus because you're all super savvy and smart and you'll be able to figure it out. So here comes plus or minus squirt 1 minus cosine of 135. So look at where those, whatever's on top here is reused here. The advantage of that is that 135 I can deal with. I got a unit circle value for it. We're good consumers of unit circle. Keep on rolling, plus or minus. And then 1 minus cosine of 135. Just draw my unit circle. Go to 135. Hey, it's a 45. It's square root of 2 over 2. It's got to be square root of 2 over 2. Except, is it positive or negative? And we went cosine is x, and I just went left to get to that. So it is negative. Square root of 2 over 2. So it's 1 minus a negative square root of 2 over 2. And that's important because I went left when I was going toward cosine of 135. Almost done. Plus or minus 1 plus square root of 2 over 2. Over 2 again. We've dealt with this before. That's going to be 2 over 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. So 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. And there's another divided by 2. It's going to be really easy to forget that there's another divided by 2.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, I get
It does take a little, if you see it, cool. If not, no problem. This is the same thing we were dealing with earlier. I'm going to go orange on us. This is the same as this when we added them with like denominators. They're the same. On to the bottom. Plus or minus. Now, dividing by additional fractions, we've got a thing for that. That's going to be 4. So it's 2 plus square root 2 over 4. Now, cosine, this is 135. This is cosine. It's not cosine at all. We're doing sine, right? What am I doing? Sine of 67.5 is what we just found. We did it by way of 135 divided by 2. This is the value of it. Positive or negative, I'm going to let you decide because you know that this angle, 67.5, know where it's at. It's about right here. Now to get to that, is sine positive or negative? It's up, positive. So you get to go in with your favorite color, fuchsia. Cross out the negative because you know it's positive, it's up. Sine is a y-coordinate value, it's up, so it's definitely positive. We got it, that's exact. Ready to rumble. Cosine, you do the same thing. Tangent, you do the same thing.